glassy wings. Lay we long the cycle, long we for the heat. Sap in skies and beaks of birds, circle is complete. Every summer song will take a quarter of this circle. Every summer patience shakes the trees. Every summer wakening smolders in the twilight, like sap that holds our crackling voice to keep. Every heatwave membranes make the forest feel long sated as the air folds fast the fan of melody. Every high noon hard the light, but sheltered in the leaves, hide we till our voices might has done. Then under bark we burrow, cryptic skins to change, molt the form to wake with glassy wings. Lay we long the cycle, long we for the heat. Sap in skies and beaks of birds, circle is complete.